Your home's doors play a major role in security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and everyday comfort. Whether you're upgrading an aging front door, replacing worn patio doors, or installing interior doors as part of a remodel, the quality of the installation is just as important as the quality of the door itself. For Hauppauge homeowners, where seasonal weather shifts, humidity, and coastal winds can impact door performance, professional installation is essential for long-lasting, reliable results. Here's why choosing professional door installation is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your Hauppauge home. Proper fit ensures better energy efficiency. A new door that isn't installed correctly can leave small gaps around the frame, allowing drafts, humidity, and outdoor air to enter your home. In Hauppauge, where summers can be warm and humid and winters can bring freezing temperatures, poor sealing can significantly impact your comfort and your utility bills. Professional installers guarantee a tight, custom fit around the frame, correct shimming to prevent gaps, precision sealing, and weather stripping. Long-term energy efficiency. With a professional installation, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, helping you stay comfortable and saving you money year-round. Enhanced security through expert installation. Your exterior doors are one of your home's first lines of defense. If a door isn't anchored properly, or if locks and hardware are not aligned the way they should be, intruders can exploit these weaknesses. Professional installation improves home security by ensuring structural reinforcement around the frame, proper alignment of bolts, hinges, and locking mechanisms, secure fasteners that withstand force, strong connection points resistant to tampering. By choosing expert installers, you protect your home from break-ins and maintain peace of mind. Prevents moisture damage and air leakage. Haupauge's seasonal humidity and coastal influences can cause moisture issues if your door isn't properly sealed. Water infiltration can damage flooring, drywall, insulation, and framing, leading to expensive repairs later. Professionals use techniques such as high-quality caulking designed for moisture resistance, threshold installation that prevents water pooling, proper flashing around the frame, airtight sealing that blocks humid air and rain. With professional installation, your home stays dry, well sealed, and protected from the elements. Extended door lifespan. Even high-quality doors will perform poorly if they're installed incorrectly. Misalignment, uneven pressure on hinges, or gaps in sealing can cause premature wear. A professional installation helps your door open and close smoothly, resist warping and swelling, maintain its structural integrity, last for decades with minimal issues. This means you get maximum value from your investment. Improved functionality and smooth operation. Nothing is more frustrating than a door that sticks, scrapes, or refuses to latch. These issues often stem from improper installation, not the door itself. Professional installers ensure perfect hinge alignment, balanced weight distribution, correct frame positioning, smooth locking mechanisms. Your door operates exactly the way it should from day one. Compliance with local codes and manufacturer requirements. Many door manufacturers require professional installation to keep the warranty valid. Additionally, Hauppauge homeowners benefit from installers who understand local building codes and safety standards. Professional installation means your door meets all local requirements, manufacturer warranties stay active, no risks of failed inspections, peace of mind knowing everything is up to code. This protects your investment long term. A better finished look and increased curb appeal. Beyond function, professional installation enhances the visual appeal of your new door. Proper alignment, clean caulking, and flawless framing make a noticeable difference. You get a perfectly centered, attractive door, clean lines and professional craftsmanship, a polished appearance that elevates your home's style. This boosts curb appeal and can even increase resale value. Final thoughts. Professional door installation isn't just a convenience, it's a crucial step in ensuring your new door performs the way it should. For Hauppauge homeowners, it means better energy efficiency, greater security, less maintenance, and longer-lasting results. Instead of dealing with drafts, leaks, or misalignment, you get a door that enhances your home's comfort, beauty, and protection from day one.